How to buy Bitcoin on Pepper. In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to simply show you how to buy your Bitcoin on your Pepper account. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So looking right here on the screen is my home page on my Pepper account. In order for you to actually buy your Bitcoin, you need to swap right here just like this, and you're going to see crypto. Now if you're not seeing crypto like this, you can as well go ahead and click on the three line icon at the top right corner of the screen, where you can see more options like this. So looking right here, you can see where it says manage finances. Below it, you can see where it says crypto, so you can easily go ahead and click on that. So if you click on that like this, right here you'd be able to see the amount of money you have on your crypto. Looking right here, you can see where it says your crypto. You can see the balance you have. So in order for you to actually buy any other crypto, you can actually go ahead and scroll down like this. So looking right here on the screen, you can see where it says your crypto. You can go ahead and click on Bitcoin. You can see that right here. Since we want to actually buy Bitcoin, you can go ahead and click on it like this. And the next step you need to take is to go ahead and click on buy. You can see that at the bottom of the screen. You can see buy, you can see sell. So since you want to buy Bitcoin, you need to go ahead and click on buy like this. So once you do that, you can go ahead and type in the amount of Bitcoin you want to actually buy. You can buy as low as $1 Bitcoin. So once you're done inputting the amount like this, looking right here, you need to actually select a payment method. You can actually use your Pepper if you have money in your Pepper. You can use your local bank account, or you can as well go ahead and use your Visa card or any of these right here in order to pay for the Bitcoin you want to actually buy. Or you can link a new debit card. You can see that at the bottom of the screen. So because I already have some money in my Pepper account, I'm going to go ahead and select the first option, which is Pepper like this. I'm going to click on that. Now looking right here at the bottom, you can see where it says buy. Now you need to go ahead and click on buy. Meanwhile, they are going to actually take a transaction fee. So the transaction fee, which is going to be deducted from your account, looking right here, you can see that transaction fee here is 0.02 cents. So the transaction fee might increase or decrease depending on the amount you want to actually buy. The amount you want to actually buy or send is going to determine the transaction fee that the Pepper is going to actually charge you. So in order for you to actually buy this, at the bottom of the screen right here, you can see where it says buy now. So you simply need to click on that. So once you click on that, looking right here, you can see where it says you purchased this certain amount of BTC. So with this, you've been able to buy BTC. So this is how simple it is to buy BTC on your Pepper account. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe, and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.